Here I just want to show you a really cool app. It's called West Film and Effects. So this is one of those disposable camera kind of apps. It's I don't think if it's disposable, but it just adds this really cool West 1000, West 2000, West 3000 black and white effects and grain and texture and yeah to emulate real film camera. Light leaks, bloom glitches, threshold, and more effects can make photos even more unique. So, if you just want to add a bit more vibe to your photos, a bit more colorness and all of that things, that's the app for you to try out. So here, let's just take a look at it. And for example, I'll just try to demonstrate. So here is the app. You just tap on the bottom. And then, for example, here's just the photo of the AirPods on the table. You just have those. You can have multiple zooms, whatever, and then you just have like you see it adds this kind of vintage vibe to it. Then you can also add these different textures, different colors, different effects. But unfortunately, all of these additional effects require you to upgrade, and the price is super low, I would say. So it's only $8, and then you just have that one-time charge for lifetime subscription. So you have that, and yeah, it's quite cool. And then yeah, you can just share it. So one time $8, and then you have a lifetime subscription for this. It's pretty cool. And then yeah, you just have all of these additional filters, and yeah, it's kind of like a Labs app, or dash cam, but it adds this additional filter. And then you also have all these settings in West Pro. So yeah, quite cool. So interesting app, especially I think it can work nicely with parties, maybe with some landscapes, like if you explore the city. If you're really bored, with standard iPhone photos, even if they're cool quality, you can try app like this, or Labs app, or West app, Dashcam. Yeah, you can, for example, take few photos, obviously, with your iPhone camera or Android, and then just take few of with these West filters, and then yeah, it just adds some additional vibe. So quite nice app.